So today I'll be teaching us how to layer our wig, do a layer cut on our wig, and also how to coil it. Stay tuned.
She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lola Ray Airline. You know how we do, it's all about wigs here. So I'm sure you're wondering how we went from this to this. Continue watching and you'll see the result. Thank you. So let's get straight to the business. So this is the wig I'll be using to do the layered cut. So I'm just going to brush it first. Brush it so it will look a bit presentable. Before we style it. So after brushing it, this is one of my wigs, so I'm not really a fan of center pattern, so I like to do side pattern. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Just going to style it too. So this is on side pattern. So one thing about layered cut is that you have to be very creative with it. It's just about your creativity. You can just think of any style, like I can try this style and I'm going to get it. That's the way layered cut is. You don't have to be very creative with it. That's just all. So firstly, what I'll be doing is combing. After combing, then I'll get straight to the business, which is the layering. So what I'll first do is to section the hair. I'll section the hair in bits. I'm sectioning the hair in bits. Then I'll hold it with my hair clip. Fold. Now section again. And I hold. That's just what I will do to everything. So you'll be seeing what we're going to be doing with the section part, I mean. You see what I'll be doing to the back when I'm done. So let's get straight to the business. So one thing I want you to know is that layering is not hard. So that's the first thing you should always know, that layering is not hard. So the first part I section, just going to layer it. See that this closure part is shorter, so I'm just going to follow in sequence with that. So this is it. I'm bringing the hair up, and all I'll just be doing is just using the scissors to trim it down. So I'm sure you can see it this way. See the way the hair is falling. So it's going in sequence, in layers. That is what we are going to do with layering. So let's move to the next part. We're going to do the same way to every part of the hair we've sectioned. So I'm doing the same thing to this one. I'll comb it again. Together, everything, every part together. So I bring it up this way. Next, I'm using my scissors to trim down. See it? It's also layered. So I'll do the same thing for the other side too. comb it first. like we've seen that this part is higher because it's side pattern I want to achieve with this. So I'm just going to just trim a bit with this one. So it won't be looking too weird. Just trimming a bit. So I'll do the same thing for this one too. Just a bit. Trim this one to a bit. Because that part is already high. Just trim the side a bit. And that's basically it. So all I'm doing for this back is just to trim a bit, so it's just for it to level up. Just trimming the tip of it, so it's just give me that sharp look. And that's it. Just trim a bit of it. I just need this sharp look. You can all see it's already going in layers. So what brings out the curls and layers very well is the styling. So now we're just going to go straight to the styling process now. For the styling, I'm just going to be using our argan oil, Moroccan argan oil. So I'll use that one, apply it on it. Just a few drops of it. Because argan oil protects the hair from damaging, and it gives the hair its natural shine. You need to apply it on it. Then I will apply our heat protectant spray. Heat protectant spray. This is it. So I'm going to apply it around the hair. This one prevent the hair from burning. Apply on every part here. So after doing that, I have to section the hair for easy coiling. So after, I'm just going to part it, so it will be easy for me to coil. So I'm just parting it here, so it's easier for me to coil. Now hold this so it won't enter each other when I'm coiling. So now I'm just going to coil it inward using my coiling iron. So I'm just going to be coiling with my coiling iron. So coiling requires you to hold on to the coiling wand for like about 3 to 5 minutes so that the coils can stay. So I'm just going to be showing you with this first one so that you can see very well, because I don't want these videos to be very long. So I'm just going to hold it for a while here. So you keep dragging your coiling wand till it stays. So now I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to hold this coil here, and I'll do the same thing for this other one too, till I get around the air. So remember, I'm coiling it inwards. I'm coiling the air inwards. There's a reason for it, sir. There's a reason for coiling it inwards, so that you can achieve the look you're trying to achieve. So I'm just going to hold it one color. So I'm just going to follow the same sequence till the end of the hair. Just wash through. So for me, the front part is always the important part of the hair for me, because if the front is not looking nice, the hair won't be looking nice. So the kind of look I want to achieve is for the hair to fall to the front part and like do like a covering face kind of thing, a bit of a fringe kind of thing. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So just watch me, I'm going to be doing it. So let's go. So I'll part it. So I'll pick this side first. Hold it. Comb and pull to the back. Comb and pull to the back. So I'm just going to hold it up this way. Then I'll carry my coiling iron, coil it round, because I'm trying to achieve that eye look so that it will cover the face a bit. So I'm going to coil it up. So you notice that it's already covering the closure area. So that's the way it is. So that way I can achieve what I'm trying to do. Remove it. And I hold it down this way. Then I apply the same method to other part of the hair too, the remaining part of the closure area. So this part I'm not going to make it so high because it's going to go down this way. But I want that side to be high, that's why I made that side high. So I'm going to coil this one too. Sorry, mom is blocking the camera. Sweet, all this. See, I'm not coiling it high like the other part. Just going to make it go like this. Now remove it. So same thing applies to this part also, because it's following each other, they will be in the same line. So I do the same thing for it. So this last part, I'm just going to coil it towards the back. I don't need to coil it high or anything. The next thing I like to do after coiling is apply my holding spray, ultra set holding spray. So I'm just going to apply from a distance, just from the video. I'm far from the air. Because if it's very close to the air, it will make the air very strong, and you don't want that kind of look. I'm just going to leave for like 5 minutes so that the holding spray can stay well on the air and dry. When it's dry, I'm going to unveil the coil so we'll see the outcome. This is 5 minutes after, so I'm just going to be unveiling the coils and removing each air clip from the air. So now I've removed the pin from there, the air clip I mean from there. So now I'm just going to use my pigtail comb to comb it, to achieve my own style I want. See the way I'm combing it. So styling is very important when it comes to layering, because it's the styling that gives you that final look that you want. It's in the styling that the look comes out. So see the way that's what I was talking about. That front view, I wanted this type. So you see it's coming out. The side fringe, that's what I wanted for this hair. So see the side fringe already. Whichever style you want for your layered look, it's based on your own intuition. Whatever you want, just create it. You can just create any style you want. This part also. Like I said, styling is all that matters when it comes to your layered cuts look. It's your styling that matters. So I was trying to achieve the side fringe. See what I was talking about. See it on the mannequin head. See it's looking so lovely. So that's the way you style your layered cuts. That's how you cut your wig and style it. So any wig can be layered, whether it's long or short. It can be layered. You can even do layered bob or layered, different styles of layered. So let me know if you're trying this in the comment section. And importantly, don't forget to make a comment on this post and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in our next video. See you in our next video.